What is worship without you, Maker? Who am I without you? What a love you love me, Oba. You deserve the worship, Oba. You deserve my praise, my Oba. You say, what are you gonna know today? One more